Hi, my name is Devin Posey. I'm the Print Solution Specialist at Mimaki, and this is going to be our CJV330 160. This is going to be our flagship solvent printer with a few bells and whistles. You're going to have your bulk ink system, which is going to allow for 2 liters. You're going to have your XY slitter. It's currently being covered by my print cut file here, but essentially, you're going to have your X slitter and then your tension bar. This allows for panel cutting as well as banner cutting as well. If you want to follow me this way. You're going to have 2 options of connection. Your USB, and then you're going to have your LAN connection here, which is going to be your standard Ethernet. And behind the machine is going to be our carousel unit, which is going to allow for 3 different medias up to about 80 pounds each, but you have up to about 150 pounds total that you can have on there. Allowing you to have 3 different medias allows you to transfer and have different files and save a bit of time where you don't have to worry too much about loading. We go back into the front. Our print should be started. We are currently configured to dual CMYK, which is going to be the fastest version of our CJV330. And this model, because it's a CJV instead of a JV, it's going to give the option to print and cut. An example of that is going to be this here. The machine was able to half cut this out while also giving a kiss cut, which allows for the stickers to be scored while also the sheet being cut and being on the take-up. So this saves a lot of time in terms of what it can do for you, and it's a very simple process to set up. 1 second here, it's final building. A few other features of the CJV330 is going to give you your ink circulation system, so it allows you to, even while printing, the ink is continually circulating, which prevents clogging. You're going to have a blade attached to the print head there. That blade is going to be the option that allows it to cut while also giving you the XY cut on the bottom, which is going to be a manual sheet cut. Give it a few more moments here to get a little bit further. These are going to be a few other options of our sheet cut as well. All of these will print and cut on the CJV330, and the way that these cut files are created is going to be through a cut line design through Illustrator, but we have a Mimaki plugin that works that makes this literally a click of a button. But once that process is done, just like before, you're able to cut out the sheet and cut out the stickers. They come off ready to go. It's going to give it a few more moments so the heat can cure what just recently printed. And then you're going to watch the pinch rollers get activated to the spot. If you want to lean in a bit here, you can be able to see this. What it's doing is it's checking the location of each one of its pinch rollers. And as it reads the crop mark, you can set it to reading all 4 crop marks or just reading your first crop mark. We currently have it set to just read the first one before it continues to move forward.